guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing of my favorite movies. I really like this kind of movies which are like feel good and comedy movies. So let's get started. Is the movie called The Intern, which was released in the year 2015, directed and written by Nancy Meyers, and also starring Anna Hathaway, which is the Princess Diana, plus Robert De Niro. This is one of the first movies which I am watching of Robert De Niro, and I really am falling in love with this guy. De Niro, who plays the role of Ben, is a single 70 years old widower and also retired. So that means he has nothing to do. He wants to make his life interesting and more fun. He's kind of looking for something interesting to do with his rest of the life. So luckily he finds out a pamphlet of an internship in a fashion online site for senior citizens. So he went on it and he got the internship. Yes, he cleared it. So here comes in the picture Anne Hathaway. So who is playing the role of Jewel Austin, who is the CEO of an independent fashion site. So she's having a firm. So there are people working under her, but she's very keen about her work. Like in one of the scenes they show us that she's even cares about the packaging, how it gets delivered to a customer. So she's even cared about that, and even she takes care of that particularly. So she is very keen about everything. And one of the interesting facts is that she somewhere is very conscious about people who is not blinking while talking. That irritates her the most. So
if you're talking to Jules Austin, please blink. Yes.
Story starts where Ben comes into the picture. He is appointed as a secretary for Jules Austin, and she is kind of first not okay with it. So as time goes, she gets really well with Ben. So one of the stuffs which I really like about Robert De Niro, which is Ben in the movie, is that he kind of carries a positive vibe along with him in the whole movie. He's like very optimistic. Like he gets really well with the youngsters around the corner, and he really loves it. Like really loving it. So this is one of the factors where I really got into the movie, where how can a person be so positive in everything. So that really interests. As the movie goes on, we can find out that Anne Hathaway, which is Jules, and Robert De Niro, which plays as Ben, have total contrast personalities. So with that you can definitely say out that opposites attract, but not in a romantic way, but definitely in a bond of friendship. They really get into a bond of friendship where they can understand each other. There are circumstances where they got to know each other so well, and that is the feel good moment of the movie somewhere. It really feels nice when you see an older person understanding these kind of youngsters. So that I really loved that particular part of the movie, where it's so nice to see that he really understands and really feels about it. And the tagline of the movie says that experience is never old. So yes, exactly, it very much suits well with the movie. So if you want me to rate this movie, so I would definitely rate it out like 3.5 stars out of 5. Really. So if you're really having a very bad day, like serious bad day, so this is one spot movie for you. You can definitely go ahead and watch this movie, because I felt very good when I watched it out, and I was like, why didn't I really watch it so, like, it was so late, but what it took me to find this movie and watch it. So this is a total friendly feel good movie. If I have to rate it like that, that's a keyword I would definitely use. So it is currently available in Amazon Prime for obviously Prime users, and yes, it's also available in few other sites as well, but in India it is available on Amazon Prime. So go ahead and watch it, and do let me know in the comment section below, like if you really loved it or not. And also, if you love this video, then subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up. Yes, you can do that, and also turn the notification bell on, and also follow me on Instagram for more updates. Bye bye.